root 3.
I am Mrs. Abdulabin Hongko. I am Lorena Elanisa. I am Erica Casey Dapan.
I'm Kenneth Albalimo.
I'm Jupiter T. Daniel. And John Martin Michuno.
This is our instructional materials, the Cardboard TV.
Good day, class. So, before we start our class, so group yourselves into two. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So, ato mo sa inyo ang mga katutauban. Dari ang group 1 and dari ang group 2. Okay. So, nanaman mo sa inyong grupo. So, today I will discuss about today class I will discuss about the 4 basic operation. So, anyone in the class who kinsa ba dira sa inyo ang naay knowledge or naay insights about these 4 basic operation. Okay? Thank you. So, in 4 basic operation we have so this class, this is an addition. So what is addition? So addition is class please read.
Process or skill of evaluating and recalling 2 or more numbers or amounts.
Okay, very good. So addition is, when we say addition, di ba, sa tuwa pa lang, sa pagkabata pa lang nato, or karon pa lang gani, or mag 1 year pa lang ta, di ba, isugdan na ta, o gingon sa itong mga magulang 1 plus 1. So, mo na siyang addition. I-add ni mo or dungagan ni mo ang usa ka butang or usa ka number.
Wait. Oh, that way. Next is
Sige na, nag-flip pa. So, next is we have subtraction. So when we say subtraction, it is, the class please read what is in the IIS or instructional materials.
the process of taking one number or amount away from another.
Okay, very good. So, sa tuwa pa lang di ba, gaya na, naging ko sa inyo na kung ang addition or plus is dumagan, and subtraction is taking one or another. So, ato na siyang bawasan kung gaya na 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, karon is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay? That is subtraction. Okay, class? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And the third one is multiplication. So, a multiplication. So, class, the next is we have a multiplication. Okay, class, please read what is multiplication.
It's the act or process
of multiplying the space of being multiplied.
So, ang multiplication is mano siya ini times or kung sa tuwa pa lang natin, mano siya ang times sa tuwa. Kung mayroon yan itagay na kung 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And in multiplication or times, ato na siya may times or so let's say for example is 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Di ba? Ato na siya may times sa number. So the fourth one is we have a a division. Please read everyone.
The act of separating
something into parts or the process of being separated.
So, sa division, the action of separation something into parts or process and separated. So, let's say example is, mali siya ang divide. Diba? Are we familiar with divide, everyone? Okay, mali siya ang divide. Let's say, for example, is 6 divided by 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, diba? Kining i-plus sa, pinakauna, i-plus sa nimo. So, kapila mo siya ng plus, hantong mabot ng 6, di ba kadwa? Okay, that is division or divide. And, okay class? So, naman mo sa inyong kaugalingang grupo, no? So, let's have a activity. This is our activity class. So, ang ato address, we have to identify what is, or atong ibutang ang mga basic operation. Okay class. So, natin mga problems rin na kinahanglan, di ba, fill in the blank siya. Pagkitaan na to, or atong input rin kung sa mga basic operation, plus ba siya, minus ba siya, divide or multiplication. Okay class, I will provide you the cardboard. Pause.
No.
Oh, okay class, very good. So, I guess you have learned today in our class. So, that's all and thank you.
We can integrate the 4 basic operations to our literacy, which are social, global, and multicultural literacy. So for addition, we are teaching the students about cultural diversity by adding different perspectives, traditions, and experience together to create a richer understanding of the world. So that is the integration when it comes to cultural diversity. When we are using the operation for addition. So in subtraction, explore social inequalities by subtracting resources, opportunities, and privileges from certain groups to highlight disparities and advocate for justice and equity. So that's it for subtraction. Now let's move on to multiplication. So in multiplication, we are showing how ideas, values, and innovation can multiply across cultures, leading to cultural exchange, globalization, and enrichment of societies. And lastly, we have the division. It discusses the consequences of dividing communities based on race, ethnicity, religion, or nationality, and emphasizes the importance of fostering inclusivity and unity. So by integrating basic math operations with social, global, and multicultural literacy, educators can foster critical thinking, empathy, and deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of the world. So that is how we can integrate these 4 basic operations into our literacy. That is all. Thank you.